All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlackFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff on this channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Safemoon. Now, we're going to go back to look at, in the month of November, the most talked about things on Twitter. And Safemoon was the number 6 most talked about, and Dogecoin Mars was number 7. Avalanche was below that. So Safemoon is in the top 6 of the most talked about cryptocurrencies on Twitter in the month of November. Going to cover that. Safemoon is down right this second. Could be a good discount buy. First time we're talking about it on the channel, so bringing this out, talking a little bit about Safemoon. Another thing on the channel, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin has been mined out about 90%. So 90% of Bitcoin has been mined. There's only 10% left. What does that mean? We're going to dig into that a little bit. And then don't forget, Tom Brady on Monday Night Football is going to be talking about what he's getting into, cryptocurrency, a little bit about that. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Safemoon. All right, so Safemoon on CoinMarketCap ranked number 220th right here to the right. It's down 6% in the last 7 days. It's down 10% today. So there's a 10% dip just in today alone. You click the go to, it actually says it's down 12% today. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1442. If you take a look at today, the coin has just been dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping for anywhere between 10 to 12% in just today alone. Now, in the 7-day, I mean, it's been kind of consistent. It goes up a little bit, it goes down, it goes up a little bit, it goes down, it goes up a little bit. But it is in the last 24 hours on a downwards, slope. So over here, it says the top 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter in the month of November of 2021. This is just last month. Now, the key thing here is Safemoon is right there at number 6. I actually think that's really, really high because take a look at some of these cryptocurrencies. Safemoon was actually talked about 3% of the time. But number 20, we got Matic, Cardano. Number 18 is Algorand, The Sandbox, Mana, Decentraland, Phantom, PancakeSwap, Avalanche, XRP, Polkadot, Cardano, ADA, BNB. Now, Dogecoin Mars, I mean, a lot of stuff going on with Dogecoin. Ranked at number 7. Safemoon, right here at number 6, is actually ranked higher than Dogecoin Mars. 3.1%. I just think that's freaking fantastic. Might as well finish up the top 5. Dogecoin was talked about 3.7. Dogecoin was talked about 3.7% of the time. Bitcoin was number 4, talked about 6.7% of the time. Solana was talked about 8.3% of the time, top 3. Ethereum, just like it's number 2 when it comes to Bitcoin being number 1, it's number 2 in this. And Shiba Inu reigns up the top number 1 at 16%. But a big shout out to Safemoon at number 6. All right, going over here to the Twitter, Safemoon 2.0. Safemoon V2 is here. But how might you migrate your tokens safely and quickly? All you need to do is read this. So Safemoon, you got a little chart here, what you can do, what you can't do. So it's going to be right on the Twitter account. It says, do you use your Safemoon wallet app? Yes. Make sure you update the latest version of the app and follow the consolidation process in the wallet. And if you said no, it says, do you have another wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance, whatever. So now if you would have said yes here, you go yes, and it says, go to safe.safemoon.net and connect your wallet to consolidate. If you would have said no, it would say right here, are your tokens on an exchange? Now if you said yes, you'd go back up to here, the yes, and it says your exchange can be handled, the migration, or you can transfer the tokens to the Safemoon wallet and do it yourself. Fees will apply. If you said no, you go back down here. Then it says, are your tokens in a hard wallet? And if you said yes, import the wallet into a Safemoon wallet app using the private key feature. And if you said no, and then you go from there. If none of the above applies to you, contact your support team for help. So there's how you can actually migrate. How should I migrate my Safe tokens to V2? There you go, everybody. And it says, if you missed this yesterday, Safemoon Sundays, don't worry, we got you covered. So a couple things real quick on Sunday recap. V2 has launched, migration now available on Androids and ISOs. New features include ability to impact private keys, connect multiple wallets, and web swap for consolidation. Upcoming wallets updates include Wallet Connect, enable apps, auto log off after 30 minutes. That's a wrap for Safemoon on Sunday. So all kinds of good stuff right there on Safemoon. So give us your thoughts. Safemoon, this is the first time we're talking about this token. Do you have some Safemoon? Do you want to get some Safemoon? I just thought it being the 6th cryptocurrency talked about the most in the top 20, definitely wanted to bring a video. This is also a bonus video today. I'm bringing it to you at 7 o'clock tonight. Fantastic. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays is usually around 3 to 4 o'clock. And then on the if we bring a bonus video, it's usually around 7 o'clock. We are going to be moving our times to noon. So on Monday through Friday, we're going to be moving our times to be starting at noon Eastern Standard Time, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard. So we're going to be making a migrating shift over the next week or two. And then all our videos will be starting at noon, and our bonus videos will be at 7 o'clock. Now let's go over and talk about Bitcoin. 90% of Bitcoin has been mined out. Is that big, bad? Does it matter? There's still 10% left you can mine. Let's check out, and what does this say? So it says it right here. Bitcoin is about 90% mined out. About 18.89 million Bitcoins out of the maximum 21 million have been mined and are now available to be bought and sold. Bitcoin crossed an important milestone Monday with about 90% of the cryptocurrency being mined, according to blockchain.com. About 18.89 million Bitcoins out there out of the 21 million have been mined, are now available to be bought and sold. It took 12 years of the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap to reach the goal after the first coins were mined January 9th, 2009. Hey, how would you like to have been in the Bitcoin in 2009? Would you be sitting there in 2021, 22, be thinking of how of a genius you were? I mean, Bitcoin in 2009, get in mind. However, it would take exponentially longer for the remaining supply to be mined due to the Bitcoin having schedules. Having the schedule is an inflation control device where the rewards for mining Bitcoin get cut in half. This also cuts half of Bitcoin's inflation rate and the rate with the new Bitcoins entering the circulation. Bitcoin's halving occur on an average about once every 4 years after about 210,000 blocks are mined. At this rate, Bitcoin isn't expected to be fully mined until February 2140. So we still got about 8 years of mining, according to CoinDesk. Bitcoin blockchain relies on a proof-of-work model where miners solve complex mathematical equations, transactions on the blockchain. Those miners are rewarded with Bitcoin. So it says one last thing. Bitcoin prices have dived in the last few weeks, over 6% in the last 5 days, and over 26% in the last month. So what are your thoughts on Bitcoin? 90% of it being mined. I mean, it sounds like there's still 8 more years of Bitcoin being mined. So if you still want to get into mining, you got 8 years to do it with Bitcoin. Kind of interesting there. Every 4 years, they do a halving. So, I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Safemoon is a token that you may or may not have on your radar, but obviously it'd be number 6 out of the top 20 most talked about on Twitter in the month of November. 6 is pretty high, everybody. Let's head back over to Safemoon. All right, over here at Safemoon. It says, what is Safemoon? Safemoon's protocol is a decentralized finance DeFi token. According to the Safemoon website, Safemoon has 3 functions that take place during each trade: reflection, LP, accretion, and burn. Safemoon's protocol is a combination of RFI tokenomics and auto liquid generation protocol. According to the article, Safemoon plans to develop non-fungible NFT exchanges as well as charitable projects and crypto educational apps. With Safemoon protocol, token holders earn more Safemoon depending on how many coins they have. They can build up to 80% APY, which is staggering when compared to the traditional interest accounts. Safemoon protocol will gain value over time thanks to the coin burning strategy, making it deflationary digital currency. Taking a look at the website, Safemoon, the fastest growing crypto community on earth. Consolidate your V2 Safemoon. Right here on the website, tells you the value, how many holders, what's burned. Safemoon's protocol is a community-focused fair launch DeFi project. Reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. All right here, Safemoon down about 10% in the last 24 hours. There's 5 actual zeros there. What's our price prediction? I think this token's going to go from $14.58 to at least around $30.30. So I think it's going to go up from where it's at right this second. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. 5 zeros and a 30-30. That would be a 2x right this second. Give it to the end of the first quarter. Again, information for educational purposes only. So Safemoon, I think it's a pretty good token. A lot of people are talking about it. Bitcoin being mined 90%. Now that part about Tom Brady. Today it being Monday, Tom Brady's going to be on the commercials talking about what he's getting into. Now, yesterday on Sunday, you heard about what he's getting into. In case you don't know, it's cryptocurrency. He's telling everybody in the country on Sunday and Monday how he's getting into cryptocurrency. Watch the Monday Night Football game tonight, and you're going to see a couple advertisements from FTX about Tom either doing a trade or getting into something, which is both cryptocurrency. So don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Again, everybody have a fantastic Monday night.